Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about a beautiful all-in-one app, I would call it. It's called Patch My PC. Link will be in the description. It's one of those extremely amazing apps that you really must have on your PC if you want to keep updates. You need to install apps that you might like. There's so much that can go on. You click here on the apps up to date. It shows on mine because I already did, but in yours, if the software finds out that, for example, you have apps that need updates and apps that need fixing, you just click here to this one here, apps outdated would say on your end, and then you click here. It will say software installation on this right side. On mine, no software is selected because I don't have anything outdated. Or you can just click rescan for installed apps to see if any of them is out of date. And on the left side right here, you have suggested software that you can download straight from this app itself. You don't need to go anywhere else. And it has so many apps that you can grab. Most of them are free. Some of them that are not free would be trial or limited use for free. And as you see here, for example, Speedy Fox, Rufus, Arkill, Recover, Kaspersky, all these are portable. And the other ones are non-portable, which are just apps that you install direct to your computer. WhatsApp, WaterFox, Winamp, if anybody still uses that. It's just, I can't stress it enough how beautiful this Patch My PC updater is. We have so much stuff. Let me show you one of them that I already downloaded. It's a adware remover, which actually found some adware on my PC, and I bet your PC has some adware too. You have advanced system care right here if you want. Let me just try this one for you so you see what I'm talking about. When you, as you see here on the left side, when you check this app that you want to install, for example, you click perform one update, because that's how it goes here. And as you see here, advanced system care, it's downloading it right now. After it's downloaded, it will install it, and you'll have your system care installed on the computer directly from here. You don't need to go to other websites or to anything else. And let's wait for it to download. And as you see here, it said silent install. And as we see here, it installed Advanced System Care 16 free. Let me minimize this one. And you can activate it and buy the full version and all that. And let me just scan. We're just doing it for demonstration right now. So let's see what it does and what it finds. As you see, privacy traces 11,000. Let's see on the junk files, which are files that you can actually always remove and delete because they're just kind of parasite files, I would say, that are remaining on your PC for no reason. Invalid shortcuts, registry entries, firewall, outdated software, outdated drivers, system weakness, spyware threats, security holes, disk errors, all that beautiful stuff. And I'm gonna stop it right here because I'm gonna do my whole thing later. I'm not gonna really waste your time and mine with this right now, but you see what I'm talking about. And we got it from let's say you want to fix this one, for example, privacy issues. As you saw, I just clicked fix and it's already fixing it, and that's in a free version of it. So that's the beauty of this Patch My PC software. It's very powerful, very beautiful. And you have the uninstaller here, another beautiful piece that it's included on it. Here are your regular apps that you have installed already on your PC, right? But what if you want to see the rest of them that are kind of not showing on uninstall apps and stuff that you have on your settings? You click here, show all, and here now it shows you all apps, including even the ones from Microsoft. As you see here, Microsoft Edge, which if you want to go ahead and delete, you can go ahead and do that. I can go here, Edge. I don't really use Edge anyway, so I'm just gonna remove it. Or you can click on install. And as you see, it has all that stuff that comes on this beautiful tool. And now let's take a look at what I told you that I just downloaded from this Patch My PC, the adware cleaner or adware remover. We click yes and wait for it to start. And as you see right here, I have already scanned mine, so there is nothing left on it. And it says here total detections found 16 of adware on my computer. I can scan again, but I know it will not find anything, hopefully. Oh, okay, looks like it found more. Because what this app does, it goes to your browser as well and scans for any websites that are planting traces and planting all that kind of stuff on your computer and takes care of business, gets rid of them. And with that said, I will leave you with that. And the links will be in the description for the Patch My PC Updater app. And this one, Malwarebytes Adware Cleaner, is inside right here. And as you see here, Advanced System Cleaner, Adware Cleaner, all those apps are inside it. And if you guys want me to download and install more apps from this Patch My PC, just let me know in the comments and I'll do so, and I'll test them for you and you'll see if they work or if they would be okay and good for you and all that good stuff. I'm not gonna go to the buy part because it already fixed what I needed to fix. And here's the stuff that I'm gonna hit to quarantine for now, because it will stop all my processes, so it will stop my recording if I do so right now. And with that said, thank you for watching and we'll see you next one. Bye!